Okay, good morning. I am Sharend Kumar, PGT Physics of Kendriya Vidyalaya Balia. Today we will see about compound microscope. As the name suggests, it is combination of two convex lens of suitable focal length. By suitable arrangement, we can magnify objects to large extent. Okay? You can see this one. It consists two convex lens. That one is focus facing towards object AB. That one is called objective lens, and those lens which is facing towards eye is called eye lens or eyepiece. Okay, these two lenses can be mounted coaxially along the same axis. It can move to and fro. In simple microscope, we have seen that objects are just in between focus and center of curvature of the lens, and virtual image, magnified image has been formed. Here you see that objects is just beyond the focal length of the objective lens. This is of the short focal length and eyepiece of the large focal length, larger aperture. Now you know that whenever the light comes from objects AB, it forms image A dash B dash, A dash B dash, that is the image of the objects AB. Objects are beyond the focus, so its here its image will be formed. That will beyond their center of curvature. So A dash B dash obviously will be larger than the objects AB. The object has been magnified. Now second lens eyepiece is mounted, which is mounted coaxially, and we brought this one close to A dash B dash, such that A dash B dash lies within their focal length. Its focal length is FE, C2 FE is its focal length. So it lies within their focal length. So image will be formed virtual erect on the same side of the objects. So you see that A double dash, B double dash, that is the image form of objects A dash B dash. So you see that in that combinations objects have been magnified two times, one by the objective lens and second by the eyepiece. So objects will magnified to the large extent. You also see that objects are inverted with respect to objects AB. A double dash, B double dash, that is inverted with respect to objects AB. And virtual and erect, you are seeing this one. Now what will be magnification produced by this one? That is the angle subtended on the eyepiece to angle subtended on objective lens. That is the beta by alpha. Beta we have marked here. See here. This is the angle beta that forms on our eye, because eye very close to the eyepiece. So angle formed on lens, that will be equal to angle on eye. Similarly, angle formed by the object AB, we have marked here. This one is alpha. This is the angles formed by the objects. So that one will be ratio of beta upon alpha, and for a small angle that will be taken as tan beta upon tan alpha. We put their value tan beta, that is A double dash B double dash upon C2 B double dash upon tan alpha, that is A1 B double dash upon C2 B double dash. Okay, you can see this one. Now that one is the MA into MO, magnification produced by the eyepiece into magnification produced by objective lens. So M is equal to M naught into ME. Now we have earlier seen in simple microscope that when virtual image is formed, then what will be the magnification? When final image is formed at least distance of distinct visions, A double dash B double dash, that is at the least distance of distinct vision from the eye lens or eye. Okay, that we know that one is equal to 1 plus D by Fe, and magnification produced by the objective, that is the height of image to height of object A dash B dash upon AB, that is V upon minus V naught upon minus U naught. We have written this one, V naught upon minus U naught. So by this combination, magnification will be V naught upon minus U naught 1 plus D by Fe. Okay. When you can also take when you want to only know about the magnitude, you take the mode of U naught, then it becomes positive. Now, as the object AV lies very close to F naught of focus length of the objective, so we can take U naught, that one is equal to F naught, and A dash B dash, the image formed by the objective lens, is very close to eyepiece, very close to eyepiece. So we can take this one V naught, that will be equal to C1 C2, that is length of the microscopic tube, the distance between these two lengths. So equation will be then reduced to L by minus F naught 1 plus D by Fe. Okay. You can also write in that way. We also know that using the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F for objective lens. We have put the subscripts V naught, U naught, F naught. Okay, multiply with V naught, we get that relations. So in place of V naught by F naught, we can also write bracket 1 minus V naught upon F naught, bracket close, 1 plus D by Fe. Okay. Now what happens? What will be magnification when final image is formed at infinity? We just want to see with relax eye. We are not forming its image at least distance of distinct vision. So in that case, M naught, okay, V naught not by U naught, and we know that for final image format infinity, D by F, so ME, that will be D by Fe. So M is equal to M naught ME, that is equal to V naught by U naught D by Fe. Okay. We can also write when objects are very close to the focus of the objective, image form very close to eye lens, then U naught, that will be equal to F naught, and V naught, that will be equal to L, distance between these two lenses. So that will be written as M is equal to with mode L into D by F0 Fe. From that relation, you can also see that in order to get the large magnification, F naught and Fe should be as small as possible. Okay. So in that way, by combination of suitable lens of two convex lens, we can magnify object to large extent. Okay, thanks.